Hi, and welcome to another edition of Lee's Thoughts, and today a vendor sent me a free product. This is a paid review. Let's get straight to it, shall we? This is a meditation set. Let's get straight to it, and it'll be self-explanatory as we open it, shall we? First off, the packaging. Thank you. Have a nice day right on the front. That's very nice. So as we open it up, we have a supplemental necklace if we wanted to change out the chain necklace that comes with it, the beaded chain necklace that comes with it. We have a couple of washers that'll come up self-explanatory, and a pouch to put the whole thing in if we want to. Two really nice gift boxes that come inside of it. So if we open up gift box number one, we have, and this is a whistle, a meditation whistle. When you breathe out of it, it emits a tone at 528 kilohertz, kind of like a harmonica if you're meditating. So if you're a meditation person, you would understand that. If you're not, you may not, but you may want to get into it, and that would help you when you're meditating and you're breathing, which I do meditate. And when you're meditating and breathing is an essential part of meditation. I've never used a whistle before, so that's interesting to me. But so you put this around your neck, which is actually kind of a cool necklace too itself. So the whistle comes out of the necklace, like so. And those washers that I showed you earlier, they go in there to help hold the whistle. But on the whistle itself, it's 528 hertz, and it says mindfulness, a mindfulness tool. So I'm not sure which side to blow in, so let's try it. So you would put it in this way, and when you're just breathing, breathe in through your nose. So whether you want to breathe in through your mouth or through your mouth and out through your nose, either way, just switch it either way. And then you put that, you can store that back in here. It goes nicely right in here, and it's kind of a nice, cool, fashionable deal. And then you open up item number two, and it's a really, really nice black onyx, which is black volcanic rock bracelet. And this, let me tell you that this is black obsidian. It's cool. It's very cool. It's a very cool stone, and it's very adjustable. I have very big hands, and so if I had somebody to help me, so I'm gonna do the unthinkable here. And so my other band here says gratefulness, which I think we should always be grateful. But doesn't that look nice? So if you are someone that is into meditation, and so you could change it, if you didn't like this chain beaded, you could change it out with this nice, I don't know if it's leather or not. It's not leather, but it's a leather-like substance that you could change that and change that into that if you wanted to. I like silver, so I would probably leave that like that. But I kind of like this. I'm kind of into meditation and prayerfulness, so I will probably keep this myself. A lot of times I give these things away to friends and family. I will probably keep this myself. So if you know somebody like myself, go out and get them this. They will very, very much appreciate it.